Hello, my people, how una dey? I don't come again, no, na me, your girl, I dey here. Another episode of our Tech Gist, where I go help you understand some basic IT things, where they help us for this our modern world, where we dey so. Today, we go talk about something where many people dey hear, but they no sabi wetin be. Now, firewall, yes, wetin be firewall? You sabi am? Okay, if you sabi am, make you write for comment below. If you know sabi, listen. Okay, make I break am down small. Firewall na like security gates or bouncer wey dey protect your computer or network from bad people wey wan do you strong thing for internet. E dey block bad things like virus, hackers, unwanted traffic wey wan enter your computer. Now, imagine say you dey inside your house. You get gate for front wey dey help stop bad people from entering. You go hear the person, call, who dey house, who dey there? If person come knock for your gate, the gate go check first whether the person get permission to enter. If e no get, e no go open. Now, wetin firewall dey do be that for computer. Now, wetin firewall dey do for your computer be that. If e no get permission, e no go allow am enter. So e go help block all those bad programs wey fit spoil your computer. Another question be, how firewall dey work? How e dey work for computer? Okay, make I tell you. So, how this firewall take work? E dey be like police checkpoint for road. Yes, police checkpoint. Any car wey wan pass, dem go stop the driver, check the car, ask question. Hey, wetin you carry? If the driver no get correct papers, dem no go allow am pass. But they no dey collect a good gesture. Same way, firewall go check every message or file wey wan enter your computer. If e be something wey fit cause wahala or katakata for your computer, e go block am immediately. Na mopo. Without firewall, your computer go dey open to any kind yamayama, any kind bad thing wey fit spoil am or steal your information. But without firewall, you get extra protection like security guard wey dey stop any threat for your gate. Now, the different kind firewall wey dey na we get different types of firewall. One be software firewall. That one dey inside your computer. And another one na hardware firewall. That one be like physical device wey fit protect your whole network. Whether na software or na hardware, the work na the same, to stop any yamayama to enter your computer. So why you need am? Why you need firewall? Okay, make I tell you. We need am because, my people, internet full with plenty bad people wey fit steal your information or even spoil your computer with virus. If you no get firewall, e be like say your house just dey, no gate. House wey no get gate, na so e be. Or your phone no get password, na so e be. Anybody fit enter anytime. But with firewall, you go get peace of mind because you know say bad people no fit enter. Anyhow, it go stop them for road. So, finally, my people, make sure say you get firewall for your computer or network, or if you no get, make you go ask that IT person wey install am. Whether you dey use personal computer or you get office network, firewall go help you stay safe for internet where all the bad people, yahoo, 419 dey. E no go let any bad thing enter your system, and e go make sure say your data dey secure. Na so I bring am today. I hope say you don learn. I hope say you go pass this message to somebody. If you don use am before, write for comment. I hope say this explanation don make sense for you today. If you get question about firewall or any other tech matter, drop am for the comment section. Abeg, no forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. Till next time, stay safe. Remember say your firewall na your internet bouncer. Alright, but this bouncer, this mopo, dey collect egunje. Na so I wan drop am for you today. Make you have good time with your family. Okay now, God bless you, and I go see you next time with another word. Which one you want make I talk about? Drop am for comment as well if you get wetin you want make I talk about. And so remember, say, no matter the water wey devil they give you, back, left, and right, back to back wahala, no, say God dey behind you like wall of fire. No fear, child of God. See you later. Bye bye you. I will see you later. Bye bye.